Claude Code gets twice as useful the moment you add one file. That file is Claude.md, and most users never write it. Without it, Claude reforgets your stack every single session. You re-explain your conventions, your commands, and your layout daily. The real fix is a layered memory system, not better prompts. This is for engineers already running Claude Code in real repos. You want fewer corrections and more correct first drafts. A tuned setup cuts repeated instructions to near zero across a session. We will cover 5 layers: Claude.md, context imports, memory, skills, and subagents. One of these, subagents, quietly multiplies everything else. Keep an eye out for that payoff near the end. The pain: Claude guesses your build command and runs the wrong one. The fix is Claude.md at your repo root. Claude loads it automatically at the start of every session. Put your stack, your test command, and your code style here. Keep it tight, around 20 to 40 lines, not a novel. Long files dilute attention and waste your context window. Treat it like onboarding notes for a sharp new teammate. Cramming everything into one file gets messy fast. Instead, split docs and import them with an @sign path. Write @docs/architecture.md inside Claude.md. Claude pulls that file in when the session loads. Imports can nest up to 5 levels deep. This keeps your root file short and your detail modular. Point imports at living docs your team already maintains. Memory is not one bucket, it is 3. Enterprise memory sets organization-wide rules for everyone. Project memory is your repo Claude.md, shared with the team. User memory lives in your home folder and follows you across projects. The hash key adds a memory line fast during any session. Put personal habits in user memory, shared rules in project memory. The pain: you paste the same multi-step recipe every week. Skills fix that by packaging a procedure Claude can invoke. A skill is a folder with a skill.md and optional scripts. Claude reads the description and triggers it when the task matches. Use skills for things like releasing, migrations, or report generation. They turn tribal knowledge into something the agent runs consistently. Next, we handhold jobs to separate agents. Here is the payoff I promised. Subagents are separate Claude instances with their own context window. The main agent delegates a task and gets back only the result. That keeps your main conversation clean and focused. Define each subagent in a markdown file under .claude agents. Give it a narrow role, like code reviewer or test writer. They can run in parallel, so big jobs finish faster. A subagent is just a markdown file with a small header. Set a name, a description, and the tools it may use. The description tells the main agent when to delegate to it. Restrict tools so a reviewer cannot accidentally edit files. Store these in .claude/agents to share with the team. Start with 2 or 3. Do not build a zoo. These 5 layers are not separate tricks. They stack. Claude.md and imports load your shared context. Memory scopes decide what is personal versus team-wide. Skills run your repeatable procedures the same way every time. Subagents take big or noisy jobs off the main thread. Together, they shift Claude from autocomplete to a system that knows your repo. Now the traps that quietly waste your tokens. A bloated Claude.md buries the rules that matter. Putting personal preferences in shared project memory annoys your whole team. Vague subagent descriptions mean the main agent never delegates. And too many skills with overlapping triggers cause misfires. Audit your setup monthly and delete anything you no longer use. Start small and ship one layer at a time. Write a 20-line Claude.md in your main repo right now. Add one reviewer subagent, then grow from there. Star the docs and try this on your next real task. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.